Minister P. Chidambaram has urged traders, individuals and business houses to take advantage of voluntary compliance encouragement scheme. While talking to media persons during one of his public appearances in Hyderabad today, Union Finance Minister P. Chidambaram advised tax evaders to pay their taxes before deadline expired. He also said that the voluntary compliance encouragement scheme, which ends on 31st of December, is a great opportunity for service tax evaders to pay their taxes and make a fresh start, as these people will not be asked to pay penalty and interest or to face prosecution.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Such opportunity will not come, certainly will not come for the next 20 years. Government cannot be more fair or more generous. We tell you, during the period October 2007 to December 2012, if you have any service tax liability, pay the service tax now. There will be no interest, no penalty, no prosecution. Please ask yourself, can a scheme be fairer than this scheme? No interest, no penalty, no prosecution, and no questions asked.
Chidambaram highlighted the point that people make thousands of transactions every day. He also said that people are very honest while making transactions, but some of them differ when it comes to paying taxes.
99 out of 100 people want to be honest with a shopkeeper, want to be honest with a bank teller, want to be honest with a taxi driver. In fact, if you count the number of individual transactions that a human being does during a day, getting up in the morning and brushing your teeth, to going to bed at night, if you count the number of transactions, there are thousands of transactions you do every day. In 99% of those transactions, you're honest. Why should you be dishonest to the tax collector? In the matter of tax collection alone, why should we be dishonest? How can we say, how can you look yourself in the mirror and say, I'm an honest person, except when it comes to paying taxes?
While referring to 15 people arrested for evasion of service tax, the finance minister justified his government's action. He said several people collected service tax worth lakhs of rupees from their customers, but they kept the money for themselves rather than paying it to the government.
I think we've arrested about 15 people so far. We had 13 last time, and then since then we've arrested 2 people. Who have we arrested? He has collected service tax. It is not as though he does not know that service tax is liable to be collected. He has collected service tax, passed it on to the consumer and collected service tax. The amount is not a small amount. The amount is 50 lakh rupees or more. Anything above rupees 50 lakhs. And he has kept the money to himself for a long time. I can understand if he kept it for a few days and deposited it. He has kept it for a long time. Now, can any government not take any action?
This report was brought to you by NNIS.